leg press machine. All right, so this is a staple in any leg workout. In any leg program, you're going to have some sort of leg presses. So this is what I call the real variation of a leg press. This is called a sled leg press right here. All right. So I'm just going to teach you the basic variation of this today. All right. This is literally going to work every part of your leg: the hamstrings, the glutes, and the quads. All three parts of the quadrants of the legs will be worked here. All right. So it's pretty simple. The machine is pretty much already set up for you. All you need to do is load up the weights and then know how to do it properly, which that's why I'm here. All right. So to get set up here, what you're going to want to do is lie completely flat on your back here. All right. Now your foot position width is going to be about shoulder width or a little bit outside of that. All right. Now, when you put your feet on the sled, you want to go just in the center. Don't go at the bottom. Don't go at the top. Dead center. Just outside the shoulder width. Toes barely open. Just a little bit. All right. Make sure your lower back is into the crevice of the seat. Head back, and then you're ready to go. So your locking mechanisms are right here on both sides. The way that you unlock it is push and then pull in. Now you're ready to go. All right. Head back. It's very important on the way in that you stabilize the knees. So we want to drive your knees outside so they're not going inside on your way down. Control. Keep your knees stable and open. Flat-footed. Push. Now when we push, we're only pushing to about 90% of the way. We don't want to lock our knees out, okay? Don't do that. Stop right there. All right, here we go. So your focus on the way down is stabilizing your knees. Do not let them bow inside. And then on your focus on the way out is pressing flat-footed and then not locking the knees out. When you're done, you can walk your feet up and then you're out of there.